where the truth begins. Good evening, Philippines. I'm Kiel Andreas Gonzalez, and this is our special report. Still missing the disappeared cockfighting enthusiast. New leads emerged in the ongoing research for the missing Sabong girls. Fires erupt across Caloocan, and a powerful typhoon leaves widespread impact. The stories that matter coming up next.
Disappearance cases began in year 2021. 34 people were reported missing after attending cockfights in Laguna, Bulacan, and Batangas. According to whistleblower Dondon Patidongan, some victims are allegedly killed and dumped into Taal Lake this July 2025.
We're here with Mrs. Reyes, wife of one of the missing cockfighting enthusiasts. Ma'am, what was the last message from your husband?
Sabi niya sa text, uuwi ako mamaya. Ngunit hindi na siya nakauwi. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin kaming balita sa kanya. Gusto lang namin malaman kung nasaan sila at humingi lang kami ng hustisya.
Ang isa sa 6 na akusado sa kaso, lumutang at isiniwalat lahat ng kanya di umanong nalalaman.
Pinapasabog ko dahil ang bagal ng proseso.
Ito bang nawawalay buhay pa?
Paano mabubuhay yan? Nakabaon na yan doon sa talik.
According to the Department of Justice, charges have been filed against several police officers. Businessman Atom Ang and former actress Regine Barreto are also under investigation, but both have denied all allegations.
Good evening. A storm is approaching. Expect heavy rain falling in Calabarzon, Metro Manila.
Bandang 10 p.m. naglandfall ang bagyong Emong sa May, Pangasinan ayon sa Pag-asa. 165 per hour ang bilis ng kilos ng bagyong Emong. Nasa number 4 signal, mag-iingat po tayo mga kababayan.
A massive fire broke out in Caloocan City, specifically in Teachers Place, Barangay 156 of Bagong Baro and Libis Baisa, Barangay 160. Teachers Place, 17 families lost their homes in a fire last Sunday noon. In Libis Baisa, Barangay 160, a residential area caught fire around midnight. It was raised to second alarm status. No injuries were reported, but many houses were damaged.
We are currently here at Teachers Place Caloocan, where homes have been destroyed by fire. According to the BFP, the fire spread rapidly because the houses were made of light materials.
Wala lang po masyado makuha mga gamit, maliban lang po sa aming mga damit. At sana naman po may makatulong sa amin kahit konti.
Despite the controversy surrounding cockfighting, several arenas in the provinces have reopened. New rules are now in place, including mandatory ID checks and CCTV monitoring inside the cockpits.
The disappearance of the Sabongeros is more than just a mystery. It's a failure of justice and human dignity. Alongside tragedies and like fires and typhoons, the suffering of families continues. To this day, they still hold on for justice. I'm Kiel Andres Gonzalez, and this has been our special report, Still Missing. Thank you and good evening.